Hello, little artists! Join us for fun, colorful drawing and magical adventures. Subscribe for more super cute fun. Enjoy and keep creating!
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have so much fun drawing, coloring and blending a rainbow house. Are you ready? Let's get started. Wow, you did such amazing job drawing, coloring and blending this rainbow house. It looks so beautiful and colorful. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your family and friends. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more fun drawing tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fun contents.